मराठीक राजभाषेचो दर्जो दिवचो म्हूण कांय स्वतंत्र सैनीक आनी ज्येष्ठ नागरिकांनी आवाज काढलो। बुधवारा पणजे कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्सा कडेन जमून तांणी सरकार, मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकार आनी मोगोचो फुडारी सुदीन ढवळीकार आड घोशणा दिल्यो। मराठीक न्याय मेळटलो म्हूण सांगून भाजपान लोकांक फटयले। मराठीक राजभाषेची सुवात मेळ्ळी ना जाल्यार वेंचणुकेंत सरकार पक्षा आड वावुरपाची शिटकावणी आंदोलकांनी दिल्या। गोयच्या माध्यमीक शिक्षकांच्या संघटनेन सरकारा आड कोर्टान वचपाचें थारायला। सरकारान शाळांचे दीस वाडयले म्हूण ते बेजार। 6वे वेतन श्रेणी प्रमाण भाग ब खाला शिक्षकांक दिल्ल्या जादा पगाराची वसुली करपाक तांचो विरोध। 11 नोव्हेंबरा उपरांत शिक्षक कोर्टान याचिका घालतले। ते शिवाय पणजे धरण्याक बसतले।
We will approach court basically on 3 issues. One issue is regarding increase in number of days from 220 to 240 days, increase in school timing by half an hour, and the third very important thing is the areas that we have been asked to pay due to fixation of Part B scales. Now for Part B scales we are relying on writ petition number 65 of 2005 in Dr. Bugi Desai versus Goa University and Directorate of Higher Education, in which the court judgment states that the amount that is already sanctioned cannot be taken back. Most possibly after 11th of November we will approach court. Besides, to draw the attention of government, we have decided to agitate and sit for dharna in Panjim from 25th November to 30th of November. We are also against the circular issued by Director of Education regarding our areas which have to be adjusted with our GPF. GPF is our hard-earned money, and we don't want that these areas which Part B areas which we are rightfully due for should be adjusted with our PF, which is our money for our retirement benefits.
सचिन बुधवारा देशी क्रिकेटींतली आपली निमणी इनिंग खेळ्ळो। हरियाणान जाल्ल्या रणजी मॅचीन सचिनान पेजात खेळ करून मुंबईक जिखोवन दिले। कठीण पिचीचेर निमणो मेरेन सचिन नॉट आउट रावलो। ताणें नॉट आउट 79 रन काडले। आपले निमणे रणजी मॅचीचो सचिन मॅन ऑफ द मॅच थारलो। 1988 ताणें रणजी खेळपाक सुरवात केल्ली। 308 मॅचींनी 81 सेंच्युरी आनी 115 हाफ सेंच्युरी मारल्यो। पळयात सचिनाची निमणी रणजी मॅच।
पयले इनिंगेत 5 आउट जाल्ल्यान सचिनाच्या चाहत्यांक खूप वायट दिशिल्लें आनी हो स्टेडियम रोखडोच रिकामो जाल्लो। ह्या अपेसाचो सचिनान पुराय वचपो काडीत दुसऱ्या इनिंगेत सुंदर खेळ केलो। मुंबय सामकार जैता खातीर 240 रनांची मोख हरियाणान दवरिल्ली। सचिन खेळपाक मैदानार देंवलो तेन्ना मुंबयचे 87 धांवड्यांचेर 2 गडे बाद जाल्ले। सचिनान एके वटयां डाव सांबाळ्ळो जाल्यार दुसरे वटयां एक विकेट पडत आशिल्ली। मदीं मदीं सचिनान सुंदर चौके मारले। मंगळारा खेळ सोंपलो तेन्ना सचिन 55 धांवड्यांचेर नाबाद आशिल्लो। मुंबईक 39 धांवड्यो जाय आशिल्ल्यो, पूण तांच्यो 4च विकेटी उरिल्ल्यो। सचिनाच्या वांगडा दुसऱ्या वटेन धवल कुलकर्णी नाबाद उरिल्लो। दोगांयनी बुधवारा सकाळीं मुंबयच्यो उरिल्ल्यो धांवड्यो जमा करीत जैत मेळयलें। सचिनान दुसऱ्या डावांत 79 धांवड्यो काडटना 6 चौके मारिल्ले।
Runs here, that should race to the boundary, and with that Mumbai have won this game and they have bagged 6 points. Well done Sachin Tendulkar, well done Mumbai.
You see all that, and I definitely see. All right. That was expected, Ronnie. Nothing new.
Well, nothing new. He's been a match winner so often. We've seen that after the 2011 World Cup.
Yeah, it was a challenging wicket. It was fun to bat on this wicket because the bowlers had a lot of help, and the batters had to score runs, then they had to apply themselves, and a good challenge. More so because 240 was a big total to chase. So with the outfield was a little bit on slower side. So though it looked 240 on the board, maybe it was about 280 runs to chase.
आता सचिनाच्या निमण्या 2 मॅची कडेन म्हणजे फुडल्या महिन्यात जावपी वेस्ट इंडिजाच्या सिरिजी कडेन सगळे चाहते नजर लावन रावले आसतले हातूंत मातूय दुबाव ना.
Yeah, it'll be a good series. They are a good side and something that I'll be looking forward to. My last couple of test matches, so hope we produce good cricket and live up to the expectations of all our well-wishers.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.